Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter with a hand mixer. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of very cold, heavy cream. Make sure your bowl is deep enough to contain splatters, as the cream will expand and splash during the mixing process. Using a hand mixer makes this process surprisingly quick and easy, yielding fresh, delicious butter in no time. Let's get started. Begin whipping your cold, heavy cream on a medium-high setting. You'll notice it quickly transforms into whipped cream, first reaching soft peaks, then stiff peaks. Don't stop here. Keep the mixer going. The texture will become grainy and yellow, indicating the butter is starting to form. This stage is crucial for separating the milk solids. As you continue mixing, the cream will suddenly break, separating into solid butter and liquid buttermilk. You'll hear a distinct change in the sound of the mixer and see the yellow butter solids clump together. Carefully pour off the buttermilk into a separate container. It's delicious for baking or drinking. You've almost made fresh butter. Now, it's time to wash your butter. Place the butter in a bowl of very cold water and knead it gently, pressing out any remaining buttermilk. Repeat this process with fresh cold water until the water runs clear. This step is vital for extending your butter's shelf life. Once washed, shape your butter and store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.